I have some sweet onions. I think I put too much on this one, but you can put a little bit. So, and I have my mayonnaise. So I probably put some mayonnaise in there, a little bit, and cover them up. And I have some coleslaw, or salad, whatever you call them. I put them here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just mix up. Mix up like so, like so. Keep mixing up to be able to get every part of it. So in there, it's a very quick meal for your kids if you want to give to your kids, for even you as an adult. And I'll go ahead with my black peppers, and I also put some onion powder. Trust me, it is so delicious. If you eat them, you will always want to come back. I'm going to take the ones on the side, on the floor, and make sure that it's all cleaned up. This one on the side here. Alrighty, so this is a quick one. Like I said, it's very quick. This is very creamy. My kids love them so very much, and I try to make them for them as much as I can. It's a very quick meal. So this is the outcome of it. Macaroni salad, very delicious, yummy. You can make them for your own home, and your kids will enjoy them. Family will enjoy them. I promise you. Trust me, you will enjoy them. See them? Very creamy, very delicious. Enjoy.